Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your iPhone is ready. Check iOS 13 or later so dark mode is available. Once done, make sure your passcode or Face ID works. Some features require unlocking. Now open Settings and go straight to Display and Brightness. I'm asking you to be in that screen before we change anything because the options appear there. This saves time and prevents confusion when we switch modes and test visibility. You'll toggle dark mode manually by selecting Appearance and choosing Dark so the system UI, widgets, and supported apps switch immediately. Once activated, make sure to test core apps like Mail and Messages to confirm contrast is readable. If you prefer quick toggles, open Control Center, long press Brightness, then tap Dark Mode to switch on the fly. Also check individual app settings. Some apps let you override system appearance, so you can keep specific apps light while the rest of the phone is dark. You can automate the mode by enabling automatic and picking sunset to sunrise, or set a custom schedule for specific hours. Once scheduled, verify night shift and true tone settings don't conflict with contrast. If dark mode doesn't apply, restart your iPhone and toggle appearance again. That resolves most glitches. As a last resort, reset display settings through General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset. This clears display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.